In this tutorial, we're going to get a quick overview of two ways that we can output data to the terminal window. Now, the terminal window in VS Code is the console window in Visual Studio. They're meaning the same thing. It's our output panel. So if I run this code here, which is the default .NET 6 template, we're going to have Hello World appear. But if I copy and paste this line a couple more times, save that code, and then come down here to Terminal and put in .NET Run, let's see what happens. Hello World appears 3 times, one for each of our statements in lines 2 to 4, but you'll notice they're all on different lines. If I come up here to the code and swap out WriteLine for just write on its own, let's save this, run .NET Run again. And now you'll see we've still got the 3 hello worlds, but they're actually all printed on the same line. So Console.Write prints everything on the same line. Console.WriteLine prints everything on a new line.